I never needed you like I do.
Hey guys, so today I'm going to be doing a easy college / my everyday makeup routine. I really like this makeup. I can do it really fast. I think it would be really quick and easy for college students too. I mean, I get up and I can do this in about like 10 minutes. So I think that is pretty fast, and there is a good bit of eyeshadow in it because I know a lot of people don't like doing eyeshadow because it takes too much time in the morning. But I really like it. I think it's glowy. I think it's like not sexy, but like sultry. And yeah, let's just get right into this tutorial. So first off, I'm taking this Dr. Brandt Pores No More Illuminizing Primer and putting that all over my face. I've been loving this primer lately. It just really covers those pores for a more flawless foundation application. And then I'm going in with this Yo Bigelow Rose Salve to help my chapped lips. My lips have been so chapped lately. And then I'm going in with foundation. I mixed these two together, which is the Fenty Beauty by Rihanna foundation and then the Born This Way by Too Faced foundation. One is darker, one is lighter. So I put 2 pumps of the Fenty and then 1 pump of the Too Faced, mix that together, and then apply it to my face and blend it with a beauty blender. Then I'm taking this Maybelline Master Conceal by Face Studio concealer and putting that underneath my eyes and my eyelids to conceal any veining on my eyelids. I haven't used this concealer in forever, so I thought I would take it out and try it out again, and I really do like it. It helps brighten the under eyes so well. Taking the Maybelline Fit Me Matte, and I'm taking this powder and putting this all over my face. It really depends. If you have dry skin, just put it in the spots that you need to set, but I'm putting it all over my face since my face is dry. I filled in my eyebrows, and now I'm taking this Too Faced Sweet Peach palette, and I'm putting Puree all into my crease, just buffing it out. And I've been loving this eyeshadow look lately. I've been putting it on like for a few months lately. So I took Puree, put it in the crease, and then I'm taking Charmed I'm Sure and putting that in the outer corner into the crease and the lid just to smoke it out a bit. Then I'm taking Luscious, I believe, and I'm putting this on my inner corner and lid. You can wet the brush if you want to, but that does take more time. I usually do, but in this video I didn't, just because that takes a little extra time, but it does help the color pop a little bit more if you do wet the brush. Then I'm taking Talk Derby to Me, which is a black with a little bit of purple shimmer in it, but you honestly don't see the purple shimmer. And I'm putting this in the outer corner and then just buffing it all in. Then I'm taking Summer Yum, putting this under my lash line just to smoke it out again. Again, you do not need to do this part if you don't want to. I prefer doing this to my eye looks just because it looks better for my eye shape, but you could skip this part. Then going back to Talk Derby to Me and putting that in the outer sides of my lower lash line. Then to highlight, I'm taking Nectar, putting in the corners and my brow bone. I'm taking the Inglot Black Gel Liner in 77 and putting that in my waterline just to darken things up a little bit in my waterline. I'm using my favorite all-time mascara. It's the Roller Lash Mascara by Too Faced, and just putting that on my lashes. If you want to make this more outgoing, you can put false eyelashes on, but since I'm making this a everyday college easy routine, I'm not putting false eyelashes on, but it does look really good with false eyelashes on, by the way. Using this Milani Baked bronzer and just bronzing up my skin. I'm not really contouring here, just bronzing my skin up, and then I do contour my nose in the end.
Then I'm taking MAC's Soft and Gentle highlighter. This is my go-to highlighter. I love it so much, and I'm just putting that on the high points of my face. I'm taking the NARS Narcissist palette, and I'm using the more peachy toned blush and putting that lightly on my cheeks. I'm not a big blush person, so I'm just like lightly putting it on. Then you can put a lipstick on, but I'm just choosing a chapstick that gives a little bit of gloss, which is the Rose Salve by C.O. Bigelow.
I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, give it a big thumbs up, and if you're not, make sure you're subscribed down below to become part of my family, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!